Welcome to our video on the top 5 natural language processing (NLP) projects using Python. In this exciting journey, we'll explore fascinating NLP applications that leverage the power of Python. Our first project is sentiment analysis. With NLP and Python, we can determine the sentiment behind text, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. Imagine analyzing customer feedback, social media posts, or product reviews with just a few lines of code. Next up, we have named entity recognition, NER. This project allows us to identify and classify named entities like people, organizations, locations, and more from a given text. Using Python's powerful NLP libraries, such as spaCy, we can extract and categorize these entities effortlessly. Moving on to project number 3, we have TextSummarization. Imagine being able to condense lengthy articles or documents into concise summaries. Python's libraries, like gensim and sumi, enable us to create extractive or abstractive summaries, making it easier to process large volumes of information quickly. Let's unravel the magic of text summarization with Python. Now, let's explore project number 4, Search Relevancy Algorithm with SBERT. Learn how to create a MongoDB database with a CSV file. By leveraging SBERT's capabilities, we can build a search relevancy algorithm that understands the context and meaning behind search queries, leading to better results. Last but not least, we have our final project, text generation. With Python, we can generate human-like text based on given prompts, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Using advanced techniques like recurrent neural networks (RNN) and transformer models, Python empowers us to generate compelling stories, poems, or even code. Let's unleash our imagination. That wraps up our journey through the top 5 NLP projects using Python. From sentiment analysis to text generation, Python's NLP capabilities are truly remarkable. So pick up your Python skills and embark on your own NLP adventures. Thank you for joining us, and happy coding!